ready. Twitter thumbs pumped. TGIT, here we go. ABC Tonight. Scandal returns at a new time, 9/8 Central, with the answer to the biggest question. Where on earth is Olivia Pope? Then the executive producers of Scandal bring you Viola Davis in what's being called the show of the fall.
How to Get Away with Murder.
Thank God it's Thursday.
Tonight starting at 9 on ABC Channel 13. When you shop at Smith's, you know you're going to find great food, including fresh local dairy products, exceptional meat and seafood, and organic produce. With all the low prices, you'll save money too. But you'll also earn points to save on fuel. And with fast checkout, you'll even save time. Save on your groceries and so much more at Smith's.
Enjoy bone-in Heritage Farm chicken thighs, drumsticks, or whole chicken for just 99 cents a pound in the Super Value Pack. Low prices, market fresh at Smith's. Your phone is smart. Your kids are smart. Your dog, well, let's just say he's sweet. And now your grocery shopping is smart too, because you shop at Smith's and you went online to sign up, sign on, and save more at smithsfoodanddrug.com to download digital coupons, build shopping lists, even refill prescriptions. Yep, you are one smart cookie. Save extra your way with My Smith's Extras. Enjoy weekly emailed specials chosen just for you, hot offers, and more. Sign up at smithsfoodanddrug.com today.
Hey, son, we paid your first and last month's rent on your new apartment.
That is so awesome.
And we got you this.
A shelter renter's policy helps cover your stuff if the place catches fire.
You know, or is broken into.
Helps cover your computer, TV.
Fancy schmancy bicycles.
So it'll help you replace stuff.
Og så er zonetid, det er godt over 1. Mærkeligt. Nu skulle der være en time. Ja, okay. Men jeg var her også i går, og nu vil jeg lige prøve at se, om solen står lidt anderledes, så jeg kan få bedre billede af dæmningen fra søsiden. Men det er nok for sent igen. Jeg skulle ind og tanke ind i Las Vegas, det tog 3 kvarter og snurre rundt derinde for at finde en tankstation. Og lampen blinker. Ingen spøj. Det tilløbsstykke der. Og folk de holder sådan kællinger. Undskyld. Der er et eller andet, der er ved at køre. Og japaner og kineser regner det var med. Det roste vi her. Nu var en kant. Okidok. Det er ikke sådan med det. Det er så mig og min bil. Hej. Turist. Der er kineserne igen. Går vi lige ud på dæmningen, sætter vi det her apparat i parking. Sådan. Og drejer nøglen. Og så. Og så. Sådan. Og der er varmt til